Are you nervous at all?
No.
No? Okay. So we'll
Maybe
walk.
the neck one a little bit.
Yeah. We'll walk you through it here. So we're going to come in right up here, okay? So I'm going to lift you up a little bit right here. And then just let me have all the way to that head. Good. It's going to be fast, but it won't hurt. Good. What do you think of that?
That feels so good.
Okay. So now we're going to come over here to this left side. Now you're a little bit stiff right here. So we're going to go here. Good. Nice and easy. Let that head just be heavy and loose. Good. Perfect. Good?
Yes.